Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer PE320QK X 31.5-inch OLED gaming monitor with Calman Verified certification. So friend, Acer has introduced the first monitor in its PE0 series aimed at creative professional, designer and user who require high color accuracy, and the monitor has received Calman Verified certification ensuring consistent and reliable color performance for professional application, and its feature 31.5-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 3840 into 2160 pixel means 4K and refresh rate of 240 Hz, and it is likely equipped with Samsung Display's QD-OLED technology, which is commonly used on either 32-inch 4K OLED monitor, and this monitor offers response time of 0.1 millisecond GTG response time and 10-bit color depth and 99% of sRGB color gamut, and the Calman Verified certification ensure a color accuracy of delta E less than below 1, allowing professional to achieve precise and consistent color reproduction right out the box, and designed to provide smooth and responsiveness visual, and it's ideal for animators and designers who need seamless transition and accurate motion representation in their work. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.